Yeah, I'm picking up my daughter right now from school, but before that, I'll be having something that I know you guys really, 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 really like to have. Okay. Yan. Potato corner. This is definitely something that I know a lot of you crave for. And isa na ako dito. Grabe. Amoy pa lang, di ba? Amoy pa lang, parang nagugutom ka na kagad. So, this is one of my daughter's favorites. So, I'm getting her some. I'm getting myself some. So, ayun. Pero tingnan natin muna ating sugar. Oh, it's 125. Medyo mataas ng konti. So, tingnan natin. See you in 1 hour. Okay guys, so naiuwi ko na yung anak ko and I'm already here at home. And it's been an hour. So, tingnan natin kung anong naging epekto sa blood sugar ko. Take note ang potato corn or french fries in general, mataas talaga ang glycemic index niyan. So, asahan na natin mag-i-spike ang sugar ko. Okay, pero, ako na, sacrifice na para alam nating lahat kung gaano kataas talaga. Alright? Sige. Uy, kataka-taka. Medyo mataas, 157. Okay? Pero I feel that it might go higher. Okay, baka mabagal lang. Pero still, okay? So, ayun. Tingnan natin next time. Alright? Sige. Bye guys.